Jason Phillips from Appraise, the windiest video you're ever going to get from me. I don't know if I'm even going to publish this because the winds are blowing, gusting today. 56 Thunderbird, Tuxedo black, 312, 3-speed manual, trans, Continental kit, black and white interior, older lacquer, repaint, two-top car, soft top's in really nice shape. I don't know if it's even ever been up. 3-speed manual, aftermarket gauges, overdrive. The dash was recovered nicely with leather, probably sent out professionally and done. Trim is in really nice shape on the car. Underbody super solid. It's the only place I'm not getting any wind noise. 63,000 miles. I got to hold the hood up with my hand here because I don't want it blowing down. 312, non-period correct battery and cables, power steering, no power brakes. Engine runs very good. Just needs, the bay needs some detailing. Original trim tag showing code XA trim and code A on the paint. Car's got a few little nicks, chips, scratches, general wear, but the reflective quality on it's very nice. When it was painted in black acrylic lacquer 20 some years ago probably, it was done nicely. All the trim appears to have been pulled. There's no major faux pas anywhere. A few little chips and nicks, a little bit of orange peel here and there. This is an original windshield. It's got a little bit of sand splash and stone splatter, some wiper marks on both sides like that. A little bit of delamination on the wing windows. Again, very sorry for the wind noise. The trunk's all very solid. Continental kit works. I stopped on the road. I didn't want to, I didn't have a good clean spot. You can feel free to still and freeze frame this. Good magnetic adhesion in most spots of the body. Some filler noted. Take a quick peek underneath it. Frame is in good shape. Inner rocker structure is in nice shape. A little bit of cosmetic orange showing here and there. Those floor supports all look nice. Inner rocker structure shows nice elements. Front suspension's been going through at some point. Major active leaks seen on the pavement. A couple drips noted there. Nothing coming out of the rear end. Frame rails are all nice and straight on all four corners. 14-inch spokes are in real nice shape. Cobra Classics, painting noted on the tri-spinners. Still got nibs in the tread like new. Carpet kit was changed. The seat cover was done. A little bit of color fade right here, but there's no tearing or entry wear really to speak of. One small little mark. So I'm getting honked at. Thank you for not knocking my door off. Jason from Appraise taking a test drive. Tachometer is functional. Odometer's at 63, 441.9. Let's watch that and see if it works. Gas gauge came up. Temperature's coming up. That might not even be, I think it's hooked up. Oil pressure's around 60 pounds. Cold. Horn works. Nice and easy. Doing my best to shift and steer and brake with a camera in one hand. How do you like me now? I got permission, no worry. And insurance, that's the important thing. Got newer 1.5 right there. A little bit of wind noise on this convertible top. Visors were changed. Brakes apply nicely. They're non-power. I could stand to be bled. Blower motor is working. Clock is not working. I did not get the radio to operate. We'll say that that's not operational at this point. Clutch is engaging nicely off the floor. Turn signal is flashing to the left but not staying down, not staying put. Flashing to the right, and it will stay put. Switch has probably got a little wear inside the column, so you're gonna have to hold that one. Still maintaining good oil pressure. Temperature's hanging out where it should be. Clutch is engaging probably halfway off the floor. Cars for sale. If you're interested, call us 810-691-2664. Located in Michigan. I would guess by all the sand and splash and little nicks in the windshield, it was probably a Western car. Pulled the overdrive. I don't know what the tach was reading a minute ago, but I'm at 65-ish, almost 70 miles an hour, and the tach's at about 20, looks like 2,800-ish. You'll have to play the video back and see if that made a difference. Hooked up. I cannot tell the difference. I'm on a 2-track that's not exactly a nice bump-free road, but I'm going to take my hands off the wheel for a minute. Seems to head down the road pretty good with a little bit of draw to the away from the crown rather. As far as the brakes applying, got a little bit of a pull, a little bit of a draw to the right front, but nothing too horrible. Hands off right now, and stopping pretty good. Pedal feels good. Outside we got a couple little door dings noted right here. The magnetic adhesion, like I said, varies. The magnets, it's very windy today, and the magnets wouldn't stay placed that I laid down. They stay placed pretty good on the doors, fender skirts, and then various locations on the vehicle. So I suspect there's some filler in the car. If you're interested, 810-691-2664. Thanks for watching.